Jacob, what are you doing? Are you dancing in the rain? Is it raining on you? Both my boys are playing in the rain and Ty is pulling on my camera strap. That's why it's a little earthquakey. You like being in the rain, Jacob? Benjamin, what do you think?
Pretty good.
But it's sunny. How can it be raining?
I don't know.
I bet if you look closer, you'd find a rainbow. Somewhere.
Do you see one?
Tiger, let me have the camera. Thank you. I don't see one. Maybe it's behind our house. Dancing in the rain. Singing in the rain. They're playing in the rain.
I wish it would rain harder so it would be funner.
Yeah. All right, say goodbye.
Bye.
Jacob, say bye-bye. Let him do it, buddy. Jacob. Jacob, say bye-bye. Oh.